Look at this one. It's an Atlas Excell. It's not an Atlas Schindler yet. And it has the pull door. Very rare to see an Excell with the pull door, because they were made right before the pull doors were banned. And you can see Atlas, and it still says Valoris because it's an Excell made before Schindler acquired Atlas, so we might go up to 5. There it closes. Indicator seems to be dead. So this is an Atlas. Valoris. I don't know what would have been in here, probably. Probably there was this big Schindler sticker covering here at capacity. Indicator works. Very nice. You can see that it's an Excell with the pull door. Very rare to find this one. It wasn't made for a long time. Better problem with the door. And that's a nice motor. Watch the button go out. As I've said, these are the touch buttons of the Excell. Oh! Or one flashes. That's one crazy thing. Huh. Man. Shaft look. Here's up in the shaft. It looks very nice. Okay. That's it.